Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Cash App payment failed for my protection on any iPhone. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you are unable to fix it, here I will show you how can you easily fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply verify your account. So guys, tap on your profile icon on the Cash App home screen and submit full name, date of birth and ID details to finish identity verification. So guys, after this go for the next solution, that is check the activity feed. Go to the activity tab to see if Cash App asks you to confirm or approve the recent declined transactions. So guys, simply do this and after this go for the next step, that is update the app. So guys, for that you have to simply go to App Store or Play Store and then update your app to the latest version. And after this go for the next step, that is offload the app from your device if you're using iPhone, and after this reinstall your app again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next step, that is you have to simply turn off VPN if you are connected with a VPN. So guys, go to settings, go to VPN and check if there is any connected VPN. Simply disconnect it and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next step, that is carefully confirm the correct cash tag or phone number or email or the person you are paying before trying again. So guys, double check your recipient details and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply go to any browser and go to the Cash App help center, and from there you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.